On the back of Arcadia North Gallery's success, it's been great to watch our next residential building, Arcadia South Gallery, progress quickly and ahead of program. The Hutchies team has just finished the level 12 concrete pour and are now busy working their way through the internal finishes up to level 8. There's 110 of these Japanese, nature-inspired residences, and they're in high demand, so we only have a small selection remaining. We will unveil a luxury 2-bedroom display suite very soon, and I look forward to showing you the quality that comes with the Sekisui House Australia development.